Welcome back to our chapter-by-chapter summary of the power of your subconscious mind. Today, we're diving into Chapter 26, How to Use the Subconscious Mind for Personal Success. In this chapter, Dr. Murphy shows us how to tap into the power of the subconscious mind to achieve personal success in all areas of life. Dr. Murphy explains that success begins in the mind. Whatever you impress upon your subconscious mind, it will work to bring into your reality. By thinking positively, setting clear goals, and visualizing success, you can align your subconscious with your conscious desires. To achieve personal success, Dr. Murphy advises us to set clear goals and impress them upon the subconscious mind. Write down your goals, visualize them vividly, and affirm that success is already yours. The subconscious mind works with the law of attraction to bring those goals to fruition. Dr. Murphy also emphasizes the importance of belief. You must truly believe that success is possible for you. If you have doubts, your subconscious will mirror those doubts and create obstacles. But if you believe in your ability to succeed, your subconscious will help create the opportunities and circumstances needed to make your dreams a reality. Another key factor is persistence. Dr. Murphy reminds us that success doesn't happen overnight. By continuing to feed your subconscious with positive thoughts and actions, and staying persistent in your efforts, you'll eventually see the results you desire. The key takeaway: personal success starts with your mindset. By setting clear goals, believing in your potential, and staying persistent, you can reprogram your subconscious mind to create the success you desire. That wraps up Chapter 26. In the next chapter, we'll explore the power of prayer and how it can work with your subconscious mind to create positive change. Like, comment, and subscribe. And don't miss the next chapter of this life-changing series.